Good morning and welcome to the Graphco PrintExpo 2014. We're here in Indianapolis. This is the first of our 3 digital road shows this year, and I thought I'd just take a couple of minutes to maybe walk you around our display before we get started. It's about 7 a.m. We expect about 65 companies in the next 2 days, and just going to walk through very quickly what we're doing here. We've got a Okidata 900 DP, which is our envelope printing solution. Quite a versatile device. We can also produce oversized posters and high quality prints as well. The second piece of digital print equipment is our new C941 from Okidata. This is a 5-color device that will allow our customers to produce not only full color at a very high quality rate, but also opaque white and clear to be able to enhance the print jobs that they produce. Be happy to provide more information on both of these products later. This is the MGI DP8700. This is our flagship digital. The DP8700 is capable of producing work on sheets up to 13 by 47 inches. At a rate of speed of 2,260 12/18s per hour, so that equates to about 70 copies a minute. The DP8700 has been tremendously well received in our territory. We now have, 19 of these machines installed throughout our territory. This device uses a Fiery Rip, and the command workstation from Fiery is the solution that drives this device. More on that also in other videos that we've produced. This is just a quick display that allows us to talk a little bit about the Jet Varnish 3D and the new Jet Varnish 3D iFoil. I'm going to come in on this a little bit. It does seem to snap a bit now. MGI at the Drupa show, and then most recently at Graphics of the Americas, has released a new device which is basically an attachment for the Jet Varnish, which allows us to produce foil inline, literally variable data, zero make ready. Of course, the traditional Jet Varnish, I think you can see the shine there, provides up to 100 micron tall, clear UV coating. And we have several of these installed throughout the area, so if someone did want to get out to see one, we'd be more than happy to facilitate that. Moving on here, we have our digital finishing solutions. We have a nice array. The first piece I'm going to talk about is the Graphic Wizard PTSEC. The PTSEC is a card slitter, cutter, perforating device. Quite versatile. We were able to actually cut out this 11 by 26 inch job that we're going to be creasing and folding on another device I'll discuss in just a moment. The machine also is able to do business cards. A couple of the unique features, and we could go into these in a little more detail, but this device will literally read a register mark that you print, especially coming off of digital, where register is sometimes a little, shall we say, suspicious, and it will literally move the sheet and the cutting devices to adjust for those variances. Quite a nice unit and very, very well priced. The next piece here is the Horizon CRF 362. This is our crease and fold device from Horizon. Utilizes a air feeder. Take about a 6 to 9 inch stack of printed material up to 36 inches long, and crease and fold. The creasing, and I'm going to see if I can show you here, the creasing is absolutely flawless. It's very much in keeping with a letterpress type of crease, and the folding accuracy is outstanding. We have several of these placed in the area now, and they've become quite popular, especially for the larger commercial printers who have a good reputation for the work that they sell. This can provide an outstanding way to handle some of those challenging paper stocks, and also things that come off of digital. Moving over into the corner here, we have our Sterling DigiBinder Plus. This is a very, very versatile, perfect binding solution. It's able to perfect bind from just a few sheets, if you ever had an application for that, all the way up to about a 2.5-inch book. Machine is a snap to run, and we're going to be producing 3 different books, a 5.5, 8.5, an 8.5 by 11, and then an 8.5 by 11 bound on the 8.5-inch during this show. So here we have our combination for coiling. This is the Digi Punch and the Coil Master Junior. These two devices in tandem can allow our customers to produce over 300 books per hour in the mechanical binding world, and that would all be, by the way, with one operator. We're able to create coiled books, as thin, again, as a few sheets, and all the way up to, I believe it's a 25 millimeter coil. So I think we're going to do just a slightly bit less than an inch of paper stock. The application that we're going to produce here is a Graphco memo book that's become pretty popular. We've got a number of customers that actually ask for these, even that don't attend the show. So that's our Spiel Sterling display. We brought along a little Spartan 150 challenge cutter, which is also available. The next device here is the Graphic Wizard Crease Master. The Crease Master Plus 4600 is become I would say, a mainstay in the industry to provide fast and efficient and very, very easy to set up creasing and also perfing. We have a Strike Perf device. You can kind of see that here, which allows you to create L-perfs that would provide things like a bounce back card. The Crease Master Plus can also be placed in line with one of our folding machines, and we don't have that here on display, but that is a nice upgrade stream for people that start with the Crease Master Plus. The next piece of equipment here is the Horizon 566 FKT. The Horizon FKT solution is our 100% automated solution from Horizon. Literally, by putting a piece of paper underneath the caliper that I'm pointing to here, the machine will automatically adjust for roller pressures and, of course, for all plate positions to create all of these folds and many, many more. Once that setup has been done, the machine operates at an incredibly high rate of speed, and we even provide a remote control, because at the speeds that this machine operates, it would actually be challenging for an operator to be able to maintain all of the controls, and so this way they can work from either end of the press, either end of the folder, and be able to operate things like speed, gap between the sheets, and that sort of thing. Now, another quick feature that I do always like to point out about this device: Horizon really understands paper handling, I think, in a unique way versus a number of our, shall we say, German competitors, and they've actually added a tail lifting device, and this is on every one of our production folders. So whether this sheet is a relatively small 1218 like we're running for this digital show, or on our 744 device, a full 28 by 40 inch sheet, we're able to control that sheet beautifully and make a much, much faster setup and make ready for people. The reliability factor is also very, very strong with these devices. A company down in Columbus called Old Trail Printing has a 744 that's about 8 or 9 years old, and I believe we've been in that shop 5 times for service during all that time, and only one set of rollers. And this brings us to our ArrowCut. This is the MBM ArrowCut G2. This is another solution for card cutting, perforating, creasing, and slitting. And the ArrowCut G2 is the, as G2 might indicate, the second generation of the card cutters. This will allow you to very quickly and easily cut, crease, score, and perforate jobs like the ticket job that I'm pointing to here. Fold over business cards we'll be doing during the show. So we're going to do all four-side cut and also crease down the middle. As I've mentioned with the some of the earlier solutions, the creasing ability on these machines is literally letterpress quality, and very, very easy to operate. And then the last thing that we're emphasizing here, and we're not able to bring the equipment along, but we are the Ryobi distributor for the entire Midwest, and as such, we wanted to be able to at least expose our clients to some of the literature and the information about the Ryobi product, and then we'll be showing some live videos. I'd like to thank you very much for watching today, and if you're in the Indianapolis area and you get this in our e-blast and would like to come down to see us, we'd love to see you. Thanks very much.